Welcome to another Tailgate tool haul. This video I'm going to show you the tool haul that I did from the Maddox day of the 10 days of deals at Harbor Freight. And before I get started, in case you missed my ITC video update from a few days ago, that's where I announced the 50K subscribers giveaway, and it's that video you have to comment on in order to be eligible to win one of the 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. So I'll put a link up above to that video so you can go comment on that to be eligible. I'll be doing the drawing on May 10th, which is Mother's Day, Sunday. And also, to give you the heads up, I'll be only posting the winners on a community post on my channel. I will not be replying to your comments, as some people have been getting scam replies of scammers that mimic my channel name and say that they won and they're asking for a shipping fee. So I indeed will not be asking for any money from the winners to pay for shipping or anything else. So I want to give you that heads up and that announcement. Unfortunately, this is the world we live in nowadays. We have to be so careful of scams. All right, so as many of you know, I covered the 10 days of deals at Harbor Freight, and the one day was 35% off of Maddox products. So I kind of went overboard on some Maddox products, and I'm going to share what I got. So this appears to be a new kit to market. It's this Maddox Deluxe Paintless Dent Repair Kit. So it includes many different tools to be able to do dent removals, including like a hot glue gun with glue sticks to be able to glue the different fittings onto whatever size dent you're dealing with, and it helps pull out the dent. So it has a T-puller, it has a knockdown tool with 2 heads, hard plastic knockdown and shaping tools, a plastic scraper, hot melt glue gun, 15 glue sticks, a slide hammer puller, and it has rectangle pulling tabs, oval pulling tabs, round pulling tabs. All comes nicely organized in a case. This is what the main side of the package looks like, and everything in the kit right here. So I do have some dents to remove, and I thought that'd be a great kit to try out, especially saving 35% on it. I could not pass up on that deal, which this kit retail price is at 130 bucks, and I picked it up for $84.50, saving that 35%. All right, that's the first item. And also be sure to stay to the end of the video where I will discuss my total reasoning for getting these kits. All right, next up is the Maddox 7-piece body and fender set. So it comes with, looks like 3 different hammers, as well as other tools to help remove dents from body and fenders. And this kit retails for 50 bucks, and I picked it up for $32.49. So great deal, saving the 35%. All right, next up is the Maddox 4-piece door skin repair kit. It comes with like a hammer, a couple other tools to be able to help remove dents, as well as like a spatula looking kind of tool. Here's a close-up shot of it. It has the heel dolly, toe dolly, a dinging spoon, and then the door skin hammer. Retail price is at 34 bucks, and I picked it up for $22.09, saving that 35%. All right, next up is the Maddox 12-piece trim panel scraper set. Everything comes nicely organized in a zippered case. So that's 12 different pieces there for removing trim work inside of a vehicle. And here's what the back of the package looks like. And here's the list of all the tools that it includes. I've seen other guys on here on YouTube that recommended this kit for removing door panels and different trim pieces of a vehicle. And I did like the fact that it does come with that case to keep everything organized in. So this kit retail price is 20 bucks, and I picked it up for $12.99. So excellent deal there, especially compared to like the Pittsburgh brand of the trim removal tools. So definitely a great deal at 13 bucks. All right, next up is the Maddox heavy duty tire repair kit. I decided to pick up another one of these, and I do recommend this kit. I have one in my truck, and again, I'll tell you the reason why I got a second one. But it's such a great kit that includes like the metal tools, as well as the needle nose pliers, a whole stack of different plugs, as well as needles to be able to replace on the valve stems. It has the knife, and then also the valve stem removal tool. So it's a great all-around kit. I highly recommend it. I did do a review video of this kit showing all the everything that it includes, and I'll put a link to that video up above as well. So this kit, the retail price is $24.99, and I picked it up for $16.24. The kit I had before I purchased the Maddox kit I had got from Walmart, and it was a lot smaller kit. It had maybe 6 plugs total, and I remember paying 13 bucks for that kit. So definitely the 35% off of that one is an excellent deal. And next up is the Maddox 33-piece side panel dent repair kit. It's used to restore the body of vehicles to their original condition without having to use any paint or fillers. So as you can see on the box here, it has multiple different tools to be able to help remove dents. It also has like a little airbag to it with the little hand pump, which is right here. It would connect to that airbag to be able to create space between like probably door panels and other areas to be able to create the space for these tools to go in and remove dents. So this 33-piece side panel dent repair kit does come at a hefty price tag. The normal retail price is at 200 bucks for it, but saving that 35% brought it down to $130. So again, excellent deal with that 35% off. And the last item I got from the haul is the Maddox 5-quart dispenser with lid. So it has a little spout inside of there to be able to help dispense fluids in vehicles. So I thought this would be a good pickup, especially for the project that I have facing me. So this retail price is 13 bucks. I picked it up for $8.44. All right, so you might be asking yourself, why in the world am I getting all these dent repair tools and auto stuff? As you might know from me commenting on my videos previously, I'm by no means a car mechanic or a heavy wrench turner, so I definitely do not work on cars. So I'm definitely not a mechanic, nor have I worked on cars a whole lot in my life. But I am willing to learn and start the process. And after all, I do have YouTube videos to rely on to learn anything I need to know. So as with most things on YouTube, you can learn pretty much whatever you want to learn. So I'll tell you about a project I'm taking on now. So long story short, I've been in the market off and on for a Geo Tracker. And ironically, I happened to find the Geo Tracker that I picked up here on YouTube. Of course, of all places. Well, like I said, I've been searching off and on for previous few years at least. I've been looking for one that's a 4x4 with low miles, and I found one here on YouTube from the YouTube channel Logan, which is Logan Lists here on YouTube. He has about 500,000 subscribers, and he does videos on basically redoing furniture and other items, bikes, golf carts, almost you name it. He'll take an item and refinish it and then flip it. It's an awesome channel. He mainly does short videos, and I'll be sure to link his channel in the description below in case you're not already familiar with him. His short videos are definitely entertaining. I like his personality. He's funny, and you might learn a few things along the way. So the reason why I got these repair kits is that, so it was on his channel that I found the Geo Tracker on, and it prompted me to just search on Facebook for a Geo Tracker. I wasn't thinking I was going to be finding that one that he was offering for sale, and I just happened to come across the listing and then reached out and coordinated it, and couldn't pass up the Geo Tracker because it only has 50,000 original miles, and it's a 1995 with the 50,000 miles. It's an automatic 4x4. The original owners had owned it for a majority of the time, so it had only recently switched hands, and I really couldn't pass up the opportunity to pick this one up. It's overall in great condition. It does have a few dents in it that I want to try to work on getting out, which is the reasoning behind these tools. And I figured if I can remove the dents myself, then that helps pay for these tools. And that's how I look at any DIY project. The whole reasoning behind buying tools and being able to do the jobs yourself is to save money on paying someone else to do it. So I have the willingness to learn, and getting some of these right tools to be able to do the job will certainly help pay to do it. And that's my reasoning and thought process behind it. And I'm sure you guys can agree with that thought process, because I know many of you are also DIYers. So here's the Geo Tracker. The day I got it back, brought it back down and arrived at my house. So I'll walk around here, the Geo Tracker, and so what I'm thinking of doing is some modifications to it. Now, like I said, I don't have much experience in the mechanical field of vehicles, but I have done some light modifications to a Jeep I used to have. And so, like I said, I'm willing to learn how to do stuff, and I'll be doing some modifications to this one. And this is what I'm thinking of doing, is adding a lift kit. Definitely need some new tires. I'll be looking for probably a hard top to put on it. And this is mainly going to be a tracker that's going to be for cruising around town locally in the beach. So it's going to be more of a beach vehicle since I'm here in Florida, Southwest Florida. And I thought I'd like to take on some kind of a little bit of a project to have a what's now considered a classic vehicle, because it's 31 years old. So I thought it'd be a fun project to take on and also help relieve some of the miles I'm putting on my truck while I go tool deal hunting. So I thought about nicknaming this Geo Tracker the Tool Deal Tracker. What do you think about that? So like I said, I'll be using it mainly for around town and to help relieve putting on the extra miles on my truck. And that's my reasoning behind it. And I previously had a small boat that I recently sold, as well as a couple motorcycles. So I basically used that cash to turn around and buy this Geo Tracker. I'm definitely looking forward to doing some modifications to it, and so I figure I'd share it with you guys. And let me know down in the comments below if you have any experience with the Geo Tracker and maybe what modifications you recommend or work to do to it. Overall, it's in great condition. Like I said, I want to be able to remove some dents. So one of the things I think I might want to do is perhaps put a wrap on it, and I'd like to have the dents removed for that. And obviously I don't have any experience doing any kind of wraps either, and again, I'll learn how to do it here on YouTube, of course. So I think I have my work cut out for me, guys. All right, that's going to be it for my tool haul from Harbor Freight for this trip. If you did gain any value from it, I'd really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos, as well as DIY tips, tricks, and reviews. I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.